Before comfort, there was the mountain, Kilimanjaro. It rises alone above the plains of Tanzania, a silent test of human will. At the equator where the land burns, ice still crowns the sky. With every step, comfort fades, breath shortens, the mind questions everything. No ropes, no shortcuts, only the choice to keep moving. At Uhuru Peak, you don't conquer the mountain, you meet yourself. And in the darkness, step by step, Kili Africa tour operator stands with you. Mount Kilimanjaro, not a destination, a reckoning.